To begin with, I would like to respect to Bong Soya. And before we start the demo project, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Chong San. I'm a year 4 student at Northern University, and my major is software development. And I'm currently also a student at a boy beyond school, batch 5. My skill is backend. So let's start the demo project together. I already started, so we going to check together. So this is my UI code AI generator. So I'm going to ask it create me a login form. So it take a couple minutes to finish. So this is what we asking for. Create me a login form. So let's preview together. So this is the UI that my AI generate. So my AI code generator is focused about only UI component that I promised. It can only generate only a UI component for student or developer. So let's refresh it and asking it about let's test about POS system. I wanted to create me a POS system. So it took a couple minutes also. Let's wait together. So we preview it. So this is the UI of a POS system that my AI generate. It can only generate only a UI component, and my target is focused about only student and developers. And I want to show also about my project flow and tech stack. So my project flow is so we start about tech stack first. So the front end I use React.js and CSS, JavaScript. Backend I use Node, Express, and the AI engine I use a API key that's called a Hugging Face. Here I request the token. Here this is the API key that I use. This is the model of a Hugging Face or API key that I use. And the hosting I use a render. And this is about my how my project works. So the first about user, the user input the problem what they want, and it going through front end, and then it's going to back end, and back end send to API, and the API send back to Express JS that's called back end, and return it to front end and display the result to the user. So this is my explain about my project today, and that's it. Thank you so much.